Hey everybody, today I will be doing another lineup of Dunkin' Donuts. So in the spring coming on summer. Alright, and today it's going to be the coconut limeade. Now with that, I'm going to have some coconut milk, a packet of lime. You can use water, I think, or lemonade. I'm going to be using the rest of the green tea and my powdered sugar because I already know it's not going to be sweet enough. I don't got time for it. So yeah, I'm going to get started. That's the coconut milk. Spread it around a little bit. Okay, this is also unsweetened. I don't know if they sell the sweetened kind, but I'm gonna put some powdered sugar in mine. You know how I do. You ain't gotta do it, but I am. Just gonna take the spoon and mix it up. And I really didn't like how it smelled at first. It smelled like a can of garbanzo beans. Chickpeas, y'all. So I'm gonna taste it too. I need to smell it, see if I still smell it. Smelling better. Sweet garbanzo. Still taste the coconut, which I want, but I also taste sweetness. Okay. I also forgot the salt. Okay, I want to take some green tea, and I want to pour it in here. I'm going to mix everything in here. Spoonful. That in there. Put in some little salt too. Shake it around real quick. I put my cup into plate and put in my ice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pour lime juice that I mixed up. As well as a coconut milk with the powdered sugar. And I got some more of the green tea. Pour the rest in here. I got that coconut limeade for me. Let's be real. Definitely giving what it's supposed to give. I can taste the coconut and I can taste the lime. The combination is good. I like this and it's refreshing. I know some people might use the coconut syrup as opposed to the coconut milk. This should already be sweet unless it's like low calorie, no sugar free. So you may not have to add powdered sugar. However, I don't think it's gonna have that little white, the whiteness from the coconut that it needs. And I feel like if it's coconut, you need to see the whiteness. Even though I think theirs look like a lemonade color, if it's coconut in it, I want to see it. So it will provide the sweetness, but I don't think it's gonna really have that white part in it. So if you do use coconut milk, I don't know if they have the sweetened kind. However, help it out and put a little sugar in it. Even if it's like stevia, low calorie or something, put a little sugar in it. But some people probably can like take it to the head just like that, but no sugar. What are you made of? Because I don't want to be made of that. I'll give it a 10. It's refreshing, good. It's like gets me free. I definitely chuck this down. To pay for it, I still will too, but I love iced coffee a whole lot. It really got to take like a special type of refreshing for me to really get like that. I still like them, you feel me? And I still will get them, but I love iced coffee, iced latte, whatever. But thank you. But I still love me an iced coffee. It's not about that. It's refreshing. And I like to be refreshed. Don't want to be tired. Don't want to be drained. Refresh me, please. Refresh me, Jesus. Make this. Have a blessed day.